Good morning. Today we will be covering the market update dated the 18th of August 2022. Indian indices opened negative on August 12 amid negative global cues with Nifty below 17,900 in contrast to previous close of 17,944.25 points. Sensex opened with indices at 60,080.19 points in contrast to previous close of 60,260.13. For the recent development in the corporate world, we have Indian oil explorer and producer Oil and Natural Gas Corp said on Wednesday it signed a heads-off agreement with global petroleum giant ExxonMobil Corp for deepwater exploration in India's east and west coasts. Collaboration between ONGC and ExxonMobil will be a strategic fit where ONGC's knowledge and past experience in these areas will be coupled with ExxonMobil's global insights, said the state-owned firm. Partnerships between ONGC and ExxonMobil will bring tangible benefits in the entire energy value chain and open new vistas to exploration and production paradigm. Automotive technology firm Sona Comstar has collaborated with Israel-based startup Drive to help it develop and commercialize new technologies in the smart mobility space. The partnership will give the company access to Israel's high-tech mobility startup ecosystem, including access to Drive's new testing, evaluation and development center. Focused on smart mobility solutions, Drive facilitates collaborations between high-tech mobility startups and their corporate partners for the commercialization of new technology. Gurgaon-based Renew Power has raised a $1 billion project loan through external commercial borrowings, tying up with 12 international banks for the finance. The company said it is the single largest project funding in Indian renewable energy. Renew will use the funding for its upcoming hybrid round-the-clock battery-enabled project. The interest rate, after hedging, is expected to be lower than the company's current average cost of debt on its balance sheet. The company has signed a power purchase agreement with the Solar Energy Corporation of India for the battery project at ₹2.90 per unit with 3% escalation annually for 15 years. Private equity firm Blackstone may exit part of its stake in Sona BLW Precision Forgings Limited via block deal on August 18. Blackstone would be offloading a total of 7.94 crore shares, a 13.6% stake it holds in Sona BLW Precision Forgings, at a price band of ₹500 per share, a discount of 5% from its Wednesday's close. The company's shares closed at ₹539.10 apiece at the BSE on August 17, marking a 5.5% drop as compared to the previous day's close. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp or email. Thank you for being patient and listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel to know the latest updates in the market. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.